Hi guys, day trading is straightforward concept. You buy a publicly traded asset and sell it when its price goes up. While the trade idea is simple, successful, exceptional, is challenging price can also drop leading to potential losses. Experienced traders spend years mastering the analysis of chart graphs and statistics for predict price movement. Some make a living from this. However, the narrator admit that trading is not there for it, so they turn to Fiverr for advice, specifically looking for signal that tell them exactly when to buy and where sell. They found that most offering on Fiverr were forex signal, meaning they would be trading currencies instead of stock. After some browsing, they choose a $30 a month signal service, which required them to create a Telegram account to receive signal. These signal including instruction on where to buy, set stop losses, and take profit. The time zone difference with the signal provider Sri Lanka, the US meant staying up late for the signal. The first signal resulted in a small profit, but the next two trade lead to losses. Seeking better result, they switched to a US based seller who promised signal as 8 a.m. Eastern time, costing $50 for a month. The new seller is not providing stop losses, only to take profit, which the narrator had to manage themselves. The first lead test with the US seller resulted in a profit. They decided to continue testing signal from both sellers. Nothing. The first seller resulted at 1 a.m. The second seller at 5 a.m. They continue for server date, showing mixed resulted but ending in a net profit. The first seller had a mixed success rate, while the second seller consistently provided profitable signal in the short term. Although the same size was small, the narrator was impressed with the positive outcome and considered testing more signal providers, especially those from repeated forex graph. The video conclusion with the narrative expressing surprises as the result of correctly about trying more signal services, inviting viewer to suggest which forex graph signal to test. Next.